Welcome back, everyone. I'm a little under the weather, but I don't think my voice sounds that much different. But I'm going to show you exactly what to do in case your iMessage photos are not sending through iMessage. So what this looks like is essentially maybe you go ahead and try to send a photo to somebody, whether it's photos or videos or whatever the case is, and maybe you just can't send them through. Maybe you try doing it this way, and maybe you get like a reject issue or whatever the case is. Now, this happens for a couple different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend you to do is to verify that you have some sort of signal, that you have some sort of data connection if you're not on Wi-Fi. That is without a doubt one of the most important things I've seen time and time again to happen in order to actually fix this issue. So what this looks like is, if you can see in the top right corner, I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So I can already pretty much rule out that my specific device is fully working, at least on Wi-Fi and data. You can verify this by going into your iPhone, Safari, Chrome, whatever it is, and loading up a web page and seeing how long it takes you to load up a web page. As you can see, it doesn't take me too long. So I can pretty much rule out that my Wi-Fi and data connection are essentially working perfectly fine. Now, if that works, then you're set. Now, let's say you do that and that still doesn't work. You're not able to send any photos or videos. Well, the next thing I would recommend doing is to look at and actually verify which specific photos and videos you're sending. If you're trying to send like 50,000 photos in one photo, this can cause some issues. And also on top of that, I've seen in a couple cases where sometimes you may try to send a photo and that photo is in a very weird format. So maybe it's not like a JPEG or a PNG file, it's some like a random format that iMessage doesn't, concur. So in order to fix this, what I typically do, and this has happened to me like twice, is I just take a screenshot of the specific image, I click on it here, I just kind of crop it down like so, and this makes it 30,000 times easier for me to send the photo. So I click here, I go and click done, I click save to photos, and then I go back into iMessage, and then I find that specific photo, attach it here, and I see if that actually works. Now, sometimes this may actually end up fixing it. As you can see, maybe it will send, maybe it won't. But this is another thing, another tactic that I try to actually end up fixing this. Now, another thing you can do on top of this, let's say you try again and iMessage is not sending them, is to actually go to your Photos app and send the photo through your Photos app instead of, actually sending it through iMessage. So what this looks like is you go and open up your Photos app, you click the select icon right there, and you select whichever photos you want to send. So let's say I wanted to send these 4 photos. Well, I would go and click on them, I'll click the share icon right there, and I would go ahead and share them to my iMessage account. So wherever messages is right here, I don't even know where it is. So what this looks like is essentially, apparently you can't send them via iMessage here, but what we can do nowadays is actually create a iCloud link for these photos. So we can go and copy the iCloud link just like so. And if you have storage on your iCloud account, go for it. It doesn't really work for mine right now, but you would go ahead and copy an iCloud link. You would go and click in messages, and you would essentially share that iCloud link as a regular link. Now, I don't think it's going to work for me right here, but you would essentially share that specific link out to them. Now, ultimately, if none of these things work, then you may have to contact that specific person and see if any iMessages are sending, because maybe they deactivated their iCloud account, which is very rare, but they may have done that, and maybe that's why you're not able to send photos. So there's a couple of different ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More important than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.